A lot of people waste a lot of time to make model ready in Cura, and this is not surprising for me. Cura don't have features for quick work. You don't believe me? PrusaSlicer has shortcuts for all action in pipeline. If you fall in love with Cura, it's okay, but if you wanna work faster, you need to watch this video.
First shortcut, let you slice your object and you don't waste your time to move mouse to slice button. You just select your model, press Command R and your model is sliced. Second shortcut, give you a chance to rapidly move between prepare and preview window. Command 5, prepare window. Command 6, welcome to preview. Command 5, Command 6. So easy. Interesting fact, if you move your object and you need to slice your model one more time, you just press Command 6 and it was sliced automatically. Do you still fall in love in Cura? Third shortcut gives you a chance to quickly change some setting before slicing. For example, in Cura, when you want to change something, you go to this bar, write ironing, for example, and then only enable. Move to Prusa. If you want to change something in Prusa, you just press Command F, write ironing, and enable ironing. So easy. Command 1, move to prepare window. When your model is sliced, you just press Command U. Here you can quickly write name and press enter to save. In Cura, you save to removable drive and you can change your name. If you want to change, you need to move to this tiny window and write something. This is uncomfortable. And one more tiny but so useful shortcut, Command T. You quickly eject your SD card and this is much faster